Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Pradeep of Maths Teacher. In this video, we'll solve the chapter Arithmetic Progression, exercise 5.2 of CBSE board and as well as exercise 1.2 of Karnataka board. And we'll solve the 7th question. And the question is, find the 31st term of an IAP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73, and this is the question. So here you need to find the 31st term, and they have given the 11th term 38 and the 16th term is 73. Now I'll write down the data, what they have given. So data, so they have given a 11th term is 38. Also they have given a 16th term. A 16th term is 73. So you need to find a 31st term is equals to question mark. Now how will you find the a 31st term? By using these two conditions you are able to find the a 31st term. Now I'll take the first condition. What is the first condition? A 11th term they have given how much? 38. Now you have the formula to find the a 11th term, nothing but a nth formula only you need to use. So therefore a plus n minus 1 into d is the a nth formula, that is equals to 38, right? Now here they have given the nth term, how much? 11. Just apply the n value. So therefore a plus 11 minus 1 into d is equals to 38. So therefore a plus 11 minus 1 is 10 into d is 10d is equals to 38, right? Now send this 10d to right hand side. So therefore a is equals to 38. If you send 10d to right hand side means it will become minus 10d and call it as equation number 1, right? Now this much you need to keep, right? I'll rub this and I'll keep this only, okay? Okay, now I had kept the equation number 1 here. Now take the second condition. What is the second condition? The second condition is a 16th term they have given how much? 73. Okay, now just apply the a 16 formula as how you have applied for the first one. So therefore a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 73, right? Now what is n here? 16. So therefore a plus 16 minus 1 into d is equals to 73. So therefore a plus 16 minus 1 is, so 15 into d is 15d is equals to 73, right? Now call it as equation number 2. Okay, now just apply this equation number 1, nothing but the a value in the place of a in the second equation. So put a is equals to 38 minus 10d in equation 2. So therefore what is the equation number 2? The equation number 2 is a plus 15d is equals to 73, right? So here a value is how much? 38 minus 10d. So therefore in the place of a I am writing 38 minus 10d plus 15d is equals to 73. Now send this 38 to right hand side. So therefore minus 10d plus 15d is equals to 73. If you send 38 to right hand side means it will become minus 38. Okay, so now just observe here, you need to subtract this 10d plus 15d because here minus is there, here plus is there. So minus into plus will be minus. So therefore you need to subtract. So if you subtract 15d minus 10d, the answer will be so 5d. So nothing but plus 5d because sign of a biggest number is 15, sign is plus. So therefore 5d equals to, so here 73 minus 38. If you subtract 73 minus 38, the answer will be 35, right? Now you need the value of d, right? So therefore keep the d there only, send the 5 to right hand side. So therefore d is equals to 35. If you send 5 to right hand side means it will become divide. So therefore divide by 5. So 5 ones are 5 sevens are. So therefore what is the value of D? The common difference D is equals to how much? 7. Right? Now you got the D, the common difference. How much? 7. Now just apply this D is equals to 7 in equation number 1. So put D is equals to 7 in equation 1. So therefore what is the equation number 1? Equation number 1 says A is equals to 38 minus 10D. So therefore A is equals to, now why you are applying the D value here? If you apply D value, you will get the A value, the first term, right? So why we need a A and D value? So to find the A 31st term, you need the value of A and D. So therefore 38 minus 10D. So therefore 38 minus 10 into, what is the value of D? D is 7. So therefore A is equals to 38 minus 7 tens are 70. Now A is equals to, now subtract it. So if you subtract 38 minus 70, the answer will 32, nothing but minus 32, because sign of a biggest number we need to write. So biggest number is 70, sign is minus, so therefore minus 32. Now we got the A value as well as the D. A is first term and as well as the D is common difference D. 7. Now why we need the A value and D value here, and why we want A value and D value? Because to find the A 31st term, now what is the formula to find the A 31st term? Now we need to find the A 31st term. Now A 31st formula will be same as how you have wrote like this. So A plus N minus 1 into D. Now this is the formula to find the A 31st term. Just observe here. Here you need A value, you need D value, you need N value to find the A 31st. Now what is the N value here? N is nothing but the 31st term, that only you are finding. So therefore N value will be 31st. Now you need A and D, that only we got. So we got A value, we got D value. So for this reason we have found the value of A and D. Now just apply the A value, D value and N value and simplify this, you will get the 31st term. So therefore A 31st term is equals to, what is the A value? A value is minus 32 plus N value is 31 minus 1 into D value is the common difference. D value is 7. Okay, sorry, 7. Now here A 31st is equals to minus 32 plus, so if you subtract 31 minus 1, so nothing but 30 into 7. So therefore A 31st is equals to minus 32 plus, so 7 3s are 21, nothing but 37s are 210. So if you subtract 32 minus 210, because here minus is there, plus is there, so minus into plus will be minus. So therefore if you subtract 210 minus 32, it's 178, right? Nothing but plus 178, because sign of a biggest number. So the biggest number is 210 and sign is plus, so therefore 178, and therefore A 31st term will be 178, and this is how we'll solve the